There we go. All right. So I'm once again live on Instagram. I don't know why, but there was some bug. Even my YouTube live got disconnected and my Instagram live got disconnected. Hello guys. Hello. Hi. Hello. So if you're watching, this would be recorded. This is live on YouTube as well right now. So this would be there. And I'm gonna answer a couple of questions over here for people who were curious about yesterday's live. Yesterday I was not able to connect because the internet connection was not there because of power cutoff, and today I was supposed to go live at 9:30 with Varun, but Varun is unfortunately busy. So we would be going live soon, and I'm gonna take a couple of questions over here. All right, so let's start with this. Let me just view the requests over here. All right, let's just view the requests, and I'm gonna randomly scroll and pick up anybody over here. Let's say Rihan. So I'm trying to connect with Rihan Sheikh. Let's see if we can connect with him. All right, so he has disconnected, I suppose. Let me just add anybody else over here. Let's click on view. Let's say Digi Kumar. All right, let's try to connect with Digi Kumar. So waiting for Digi Kumar over here. Hello guys on YouTube as well.
Hello sir.
Hello, hi, what's your name?
सर प्रखर कुमार, आप तो बहुत दिन से फॉलो कर रहे हो.
All right, thank you.
सर एक सेकंड रुकोगे, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर ऑन कर लो. एक सेकंड.
Your voice is echoing a lot. All right, so I guess all right, Prakhar, don't worry about recording this thing. It is already recorded. It is live on YouTube as well, so you will get the footage.
Oh,
Yeah.
अच्छा,
So
thank you,
please
thank you.
tell me
हाँ, तो
what's your question?
क्वेश्चन सर पता नहीं. मेरा क्वेश्चन अब मेरे को पता है, आपका आंसर आपके कहीं ना कहीं फीड में है ही, तो मैं फॉलो करता रहता हूँ. मेरे को सब ऐसे पता रहता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं. सो अभी मेरा जैसे आपका एंड गैरी वी का सुन के आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एवरीथिंग. मेरा ये डिजी कुमार में मैं रॉ वीडियो बनाता हूँ, ऐसे नॉर्मल टी शर्ट रूम ऐसा ही. एंड दिन में क्या हुआ वो बता देता हूँ. एंड कभी कभी जैसे अभी छोटे छोटे क्लाइंट नहीं, फ्रेंड टाइप लोग के साथ ही, मतलब वो सब कोलैब वोलैब होता है अगर छोटे छोटे बिजनेस के साथ, तो उसी से अभी सीख रहा हूँ. एंड एक ई स्पोर्ट कंपनी ऐसे अभी फ्रेंड लोग के साथ ही खोल के रखा हुआ है. तो उसी में अभी मार्केटिंग ये सब में करता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, तो वही सब है. ऐसे एक क्वेश्चन इफ आईड लाइक टू आस्क कि मतलब जैसे ई स्पोर्ट इंडस्ट्री हुआ, सो इट इज ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया. सो इसमें मैं मतलब अभी यूट्यूब एंड ऑल, टिकटॉक एंड ऑल, एवरीथिंग आई एम डूइंग, क्योंकि अभी फॉलो करता तो मेरे को ये सब समझ आ गया है कि लाइक फॉलोअर का टेंशन नहीं लेने का, एंड मतलब वो सब कोई अभी टेंशन नहीं है. तो मतलब एड में मेरे को ये जानना था कि मतलब ऐसे एक पर्टिकुलर गेम को टारगेट करते हुए कोई एड जैसे चलाना चाहे तो उसके लिए मतलब कोई तरीका है क्या? इंटरेस्ट वाइज तो रहता है वैसे. मतलब उसमें मेरे को ये दिक्कत आ रहा था कि मैं जब चला रहा था ना, तो एकदम एक्यूरेट एड नहीं जा रहा था, कि मतलब एकदम पबजी को टारगेट करते हुए या एक गेम को टारगेट करते हुए नहीं जा रहा था. तो उसका कुछ हो सकता है?
So, buddy, it's not just about PUBG and all those things. If you have gone through Facebook and Instagram ads course, जो मैंने दिया है in Digital Bro University,
वो पूरा कर रहा हूँ मैं, अभी आधा पे ही है.
तो हाँ, तो उसमें मैंने क्लियरली बोला है ना कि डेमोग्राफिक्स होता है, इंटरेस्ट होता है. सो व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू राइट नाउ टारगेट इज जस्ट पबजी के इंटरेस्ट है. तो मेरे को भी पबजी में इंटरेस्ट है, पर मैं कभी आपका प्रोडक्ट या आपके पेज पे नहीं आऊँगा, क्योंकि मैंने कहीं ना कहीं अपने फ्रेंड्स का पेज का लाइक किया होगा या कहीं ना कहीं उनकी गेम में गया होगा, तो वो एल्गोरिदम में मेरा आ गया होगा. But I'm not your target audience, so it is too broad for you to target them. So you will have to narrow down, like go on Google and search for magazines related to PUBG or blogs related to PUBG, and then try to search them on Facebook. Are they having those pages? If yes, then put them in your targeting option. Then if you have a product, then try to layer target them with engaged shoppers. So वैसे करके तुमको अलग अलग टारगेटिंग ऑप्शन ट्राई करने पड़ेंगे. ऐसे पबजी बहुत ही फ्रॉड होता है.
अच्छा ठीक
आपका
है
आपका आपका आवाज मेरे को बहुत एको हो रहा है, मेरा आवाज.
वो पता नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ होगा. तो यही था मेरा डाउट एंड ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं. बाकी मैं फीड से आपके सब एकदम फॉलो करते हुए अच्छा ही चल रहा है एंड
Alright,
थैंक यू सो
God
मच
bless
फॉर
you.
हेल्पिंग. एंड सर लॉकडाउन के बाद कभी कोलकाता हो आप? एक बार आने वाले थे तो कैंसिल हो गया था. तो कोलकाता का भी अगर आपका इवेंट होता है तो
Okay, yeah, no worries. Alright,
थैंक यू
chalo.
सर.
God bless. Bye bye. Alright, guys. So unfortunately, I have ended the live session on YouTube with some notification because there was a problem. This feed was not going over there. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but the feed is not going over there. So I'll just continue on Instagram then. Yeah, let's do this. Just take this phone from here. All right, let's click on view. Let's add one lady this time. Waiting for digital girl Kinjal. All right, let's wait if she's able to join us or not. Hello guys, hello. Hope you are having a great time right now, even though it is lockdown and everything. आप घर पे हो, सुरक्षित हो, everybody is fine. Right, so Kinjal is not able to join over here. Let me add another one. All right, so let's add waiting for Miss underscore day underscore dreamer. Let's see if he or she is able to connect. On top of that, yesterday, all right, so we have somebody. I guess I just have a black screen. All right.
Hello.
Hello, hi, what's your name?
Sir, Khushi here.
Khushi. All right, Khushi, how can I help you? Tell me.
Sir, first of all, I want to add all your social media platforms in TikTok, Instagram, your and it's awesome.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, I am just sharing to my friends also just you told about digital marketing, and I had just joined your post too, and I just started learning from that. You had to write your bio.
I just lost you. Your voice is not that much audible.
Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, mommy, lead.
All right, I just lost her. Let me just add somebody else. All right, so we have waiting for Sadman Saqib online. All right, Saqib. I suppose his name is Saqib.
Hey, Digital Pratik.
Hey man, it's black screen right now. I cannot see you.
Can you see me now? Right now?
Yep, better.
I have been a big fan of your work. Like, I really love what you do. Like, it's so
Thank you.
awesome. It's so amazing. So thanks a lot for just taking me live. Like I'm very grateful for just talking with you. Like, I have seen your entire journey, and I still follow you on YouTube. Like, I saw your video once on YouTube, and I got so motivated, especially when you worked for so many years. You didn't see results in the beginning, but you just kept going on and on. And that amazed me,
Okay.
and so I have a question for you.
Yep.
So you know how TikTok is evolving, right? So right now I know that I really want to start uploading videos on TikTok, but am I too late, or should I
No.
just no?
No.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to do live. I mean, just imagine I have been a digital guy since ages, but I never went live on YouTube.
Yeah.
But YouTube is so of an old platform. But now I'm trying to go live on YouTube as well. I'm still figuring out because I'm using a new software, and I'm trying to do like a very nice show on YouTube as well, which in India nobody is doing yet in digital marketing. So I'm just trying and figuring out. So for me as well, if I think that YouTube is an old platform, so is it late? No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Right?
Definitely.
So just push it out. Just keep on trying. My first two.
Yeah.
So yesterday was a big failure for me when it comes to live. Today, once again, another failure on YouTube because today it got interrupted. Like it is gone. So 2 failures. Just imagine. I'll just always remember these moments when my maybe 8th or 9th YouTube live would be super successful live on YouTube.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. People will
Yeah.
keep on telling you something or the other.
Yeah,
They will
definitely.
definitely keep on telling you. People have been shitting. There are so freaking free people that I have seen in past 24 hours. They are able to create free IDs, free Instagram accounts, and they are able to shit on me on my content as well. Just imagine how much free time they do have. While in past
Yeah.
24 hours, I'm still trying to figure out how I can enhance my live videos more and more. All right. People will keep on shitting.
Yeah, I definitely agree because I saw one of your posts where you were washing hands or something, and people were like, "You're wasting water," I think, or something like that. Yeah, and I was like, "Oh, focus on the positive, guys. Like he's doing so
Exactly.
much."
See, it was,
Yeah.
and it doesn't mean that I was 100% right. Yes, it was my mistake as well because I
Yeah.
was wasting water, but it was not that intentional. My pure focus,
Yeah.
I was so engraved and focused in bringing value to you guys that I actually forgot to like turn off the tap.
Yeah.
But anyways, people do have the perception, so we cannot change them, and we cannot do anything about that, and we just have to keep on moving.
Yeah, and intention is the most like important thing.
Yep.
So yeah.
So TikTok, yes, it is not late for you. All right, start.
Yeah.
I just
Right.
created my fourth or fifth account, Digital Pratik Ant. I'm still not able to be consistent over there, but I don't regret. I'm just trying as much as possible.
Yeah. But thanks a lot for going live and accepting my request. I really appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, by the way, Bangladesh, so just letting you know, people from Bangladesh is also watching you.
All right.
Yeah. Definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love. God bless.
Yeah. See you, brother.
Bye. Bye. All right. So I just saw 1 or 2 comments asking about Varun. If you have missed, like I just announced that in the earlier part of this live video, you might have joined in late. Varun is not able to join me today. He is busy. Or else we were supposed to go live today at 9:30 because yesterday I had internet issues. Today he is not free. So mostly in this week we would be able to go live together. All right. So let me just try to add somebody else over here. All right. So let's say this guy. Waiting for Suyash _ Mishra. I guess it is Suyash. Guys, trust
भाई
me. All right.
हेलो भाई
कैसे हो?
यार मैंने बहुत देखी पूरी, मतलब जो आपकी लाइफ जो चल ही रही है ना उसके बारे में, मतलब आप बताते रहते हो कि मैं कैसे अहमदाबाद में और मैंने कॉल सेंटर कैसे शुरू करा। सही है यार, आप बहुत कुछ कर रहे हो जो भी कर रहे हो।
Where are you from?
मैं आगरा से हूँ, पर मैं नोएडा में मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म कर रहा हूँ। मुझे पता नहीं था ऐसे लाइव हो जाएगा, आप एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे। मैं तो ऐसे ही अपना वक्त लगाया जा रहा था तुक्का कि मैंने कि कभी हो जाए तो हो जाए।
All
पर
right.
आप
So do you have any question?
क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है कोई भी, बस ये कि आपका क्या है नाम?
All right. So then that's it for this. I'll just let other people ask me question. All right.
हाँ बिल्कुल।
All right.
एक सेकंड मैं बस स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूँ।
All right.
थैंक यू।
All right. God bless you. All right. So today, luckily, my sister is also here, and she is like constantly giving more smileys. So Benu, I love you too. All right. So let's add this guy. So we are waiting for Ujjwal _ Rahul. Ujjwal. All right. Ujjwal.
Hello Pratik bhai, how are you? You are doing amazing work and I saw your video. They are really amazing.
Thank you so much, buddy.
And भाई मतलब it's commendable भैया, जो देखो बोलने वाले बोलेंगे भैया, and you are doing amazing work, so keep on doing it. And मौजमा रहो भैया. And your favorite dialogue, the मौजमा is like crazy. मतलब एक अलग ही smile लेके आता है भैया. मतलब the way we talk to you, or you know the way you communicate, the way you simplify the things are really crazy. मतलब hats off to you being in such young age. You are
Thank you.
inspiring lot many people भैया.
वैसे तो
Great.
बुढ़ा हो गया हो यार, 31 साल का हो गया, अब तो कहाँ जवान हो.
इतने भी नहीं हो भैया, मतलब if I talk about mine 25, तो still मतलब आप 31 हो, so बस मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. बाकी you are doing a commendable job भैया. That's all.
Alright. Is there anything else I
And
can help
since
you with? Do you have a question?
भैया मेरे को ये जानना था कि I was having a one issue. So basically I was thinking कि is there any possible way wherein I can just work with the team of yours or with you? Possibility अगर कुछ हो पाए तो
Like किसके related है लेकिन?
work के related basically.
So are you looking for internships?
Internship नहीं भैया, मतलब as a permanent full time employment only, because I have a certain issue. It's basically related to eye. So
देखो यार, मेरी टीम को क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस होता है, जब तक मैं नहीं बोलता तब तक वो किसी को अप्रोच नहीं करते. फर्स्ट
हाँ
ऑफ
हाँ.
ऑल बिकॉज आई हैव 100% रिमोट टीम. देयर इज नो लाइक इन हाउस टीम. आई हैव 100% रिमोट टीम. आई एम फॉलोइंग द मॉडल ऑफ Zapier. Zapier का अगर नाम सुना होगा तो Zapier इज एन ऑटोमेशन टूल. So
Okay.
they also have 300 people remote team, 300 close around remote team है. तो मैं भी वही मॉडल फॉलो कर रहा हूँ अपने लिए. बट एज ऑफ नाउ ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर like any kind of internship or maybe paid work as well in my team. But definitely do look out on my Instagram stories and do check out, stay updated.
I do follow
with
you
my
भैया.
stories.
I am following you everywhere भैया, मतलब on
Yeah.
YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. So
Yeah.
that's
So
great.
just keep yourself updated with my live and these kind of live and stories as well. You'll get an update. All right. बाकी
So
बस अपना
भैया
काम
any
चालू रखो.
okay भैया. So any other way, मतलब कोई मेल आईडी या फिर ऐसे कुछ something.
But there is no requirement, so I just keep all these things very private because I have a very choosy team. मैं बहुत ही choosy हूँ when it comes to my team. So I have a very virtual, remote, silent team. मुझे जब active वो sleeper cells होते हैं ना, वैसे है मेरी team वाले.
Okay, okay.
Alright, so
वही
you
था
will definitely
because
get notified when we require something. Alright.
yeah, हाँ, क्योंकि वो I was
Alright.
thinking that only because this is the field wherein like this is our future, मतलब digital marketing. So
Yeah.
it could be very good if I could get some opportunities or something.
फ्यूचर
Because
सी फ्यूचर ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग तो बोलो ही मत, वरना मेरा अभी दिमाग हिल जाएगा. जब तक वरुण और
समझ
मैं
गया,
लाइव नहीं
समझ
जाएंगे ना,
गया.
तब तक कुछ लोगों को दिमाग में भूसा भरा है ना, वो भूसा भरने दो, चलेगा. मेरे को तो मजा आ रहा है.
सही है. मैंने आपका पोस्ट देखा था, मैंने उस पे कमेंट भी किया था, पर शायद आप तक पहुंचा नहीं होगा वो
Anyways,
पोस्ट.
no, it's perfectly alright. People have no clue about what Varun is speaking about, what Abhinav is speaking about, and what I am speaking about. It will only be cleared and it will be more in depth for people who have no clue about it. Only when we go live. Unfortunately, today we are not able to go live, or else it might have been cleared. But yeah,
Yes,
definitely, people will get clear in this week itself when I and Varun go live together, because we know each other what we are doing. Wherein people who are just commenting and shitting or maybe loving us, they don't know everything about Varun and everything about me.
सही है भैया, सही है. बट यू आर डूइंग अ कमेंडेबल जॉब भैया. ऐसे ही इंस्पायर करते रहो आप. एंड
Thank
भैया
you so
बाय द वे, आप गुजरात में कहाँ से हैं?
गुजरात से ही हूँ अभी, इतना रखो ना. Alright.
मतलब like my brother also stays in Ahmedabad.
I'll
Okay, भैया.
add somebody else over here now to ask question. All right, buddy. Chalo,
Yeah,
God bless.
yeah, thank you so much भैया. Make a great day.
You too. Bye.
Yeah, bye भैया. Take care.
All right. So let's see if we can just add somebody else. All right, where it is? It's not being clicked. Click हो जाए यार. Okay. All right. So let's add. We are waiting for now Astha official. Let me just flip the camera. Cool.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hi Astha. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
All right. How can I help you? Tell
So,
me. Just give me a second, Astha. Just give me a second. All right. I'm so sorry. Yeah, please tell me.
so first of all, let me tell you that you inspire a lot, because the best thing about you, what I feel, is you are like आप आपके अंदर में जो रहता है ना सर, आपके बाहर में भी वही है. That is the
Thank
thing.
you.
And
All right. So Astha is facing some internet issue, I suppose. Astha, can you hear me?
okay,
All right. So I just lost. All right. Let's add another one. Waiting for the Ravina Patel. underscore no dot. So let's see if we can have Ravina Patel. All right, so we do have. Hello, hi.
Hi. Sorry, I was not expecting to get.
Hello.
Sorry, I was not expecting to be accepted so soon.
All right. So tell me, Ravina, how can I help you?
So I've recently started a YouTube channel, and I would like to know how, like, what are your views on video marketing or
It
video
is.
for branding?
We are communicating right now via video, so it is
Yeah.
definitely like an top one right now, the top form of content for me. So video is being consumed right now as much as possible. Like it is the biggest form of content which is being consumed. It is everywhere. The new platforms which are coming up are on video based, like TikTok, like LinkedIn. They are coming up with live stories. They are coming up with live videos. Everything is video right now. So the video consumption is definitely going to be rising up and up and up for a couple of years from here point onwards. And as we get busy, we would be now consuming audio as well. So, but it will take some time for us to like overcome the video part with the audio part. But right now it is video. So definitely you should start with video. And if you are especially asking for YouTube, you can just go ahead and install one Chrome extension, TubeBuddy, and it will help you a
So
lot.
yes, I have that.
So are you using it in pro version?
No, not the pro version. I think the
You should definitely
one
check
in
the pro
middle.
version then.
Okay.
You should definitely check the pro version of TubeBuddy because it will help you like it is level apart than the free version.
So no, not the free version. There are three parts of it. So I'm using the middle one, and I don't remember the name. But
$19 a month.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm talking about the 49, the pro. I guess the pro one. So I am having the pro version.
Okay. And another thing is TubeBuddy better for keywords, and or is this keyword everywhere better?
Keyword Everywhere was awesomely working well unless Ubersuggest came into picture and Neil Patel just disrupted all the keyword planners. So earlier what used to happen is earlier when Neil Patel didn't acquire Ubersuggest, I was using the combination of two things, Keywords Everywhere, and there was this another tool which was Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension is keywordtool.io. So what I used to do is I used to go into keywordtool.io. I used to search something for US and YouTube, and then in the free version of keywordtool.io, it used to give 5 results, and then it would be hidden because we have to upgrade. So now what I used to do, I used to just click on copy all inside keywordtool.io, and then I used to go into Keywords Everywhere and I used to paste everything over there. Then it used to come. So that was the combination. But now that combination is no more working because of the new upgrades. Plus Ubersuggest is way better if you're trying for Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is just a 10,000 feet overview of what is happening.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Sure. God bless you. All right. So let's add somebody else over here. All right. So we have waiting for youth coach Harsh. All right. So we are waiting for Harsh. Thank you so much for all the hearts over here. Thank you so much, Harsh. We are waiting for you. All right, guys. People who are saying, please join me, please join me. I only get one button to click, which when clicked, I get plenty of requests. So I just randomly pick anybody. And Harsh is not able to connect. It's taking too long. So I'll just cancel the request. Let's add this guy over here. Let's say Heather. All right. So I guess he has intentionally written Ali Heather. So let's see if we are able to connect Heather.
Hi bro, how are you?
Hey man, I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm doing good. All right.
So actually I'm a digital marketer and I'm belong from Pakistan. Recently I saw your account and I'm totally think that what I wanna do, you are doing same. In our country here, Pakistan, there is no one who's doing socialize the digital marketing, and there is just digital marketing agencies. Those are doing a work, but each and everyone want to go at their offices. They are seated in offices. They are not doing. They are not socialize them. Uh, means they are actually अगर किसी को छोटे पैमाने पे अब हम लोग जो काम करते हैं वी आर हियर टू सर्व द पीपल्स फॉर अ लिटिल बिट कह सकते हैं उसको कि हम सिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं और जो लोगों
आप क्या
को
करते हो
छोटा
आप क्या करते हो इधर अभी फिलहाल क्या कर रहे हो आप?
फिलहाल मैं आई एम द स्टूडेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एंड doing digital marketing and I'm an e-commerce business developer in Pakistan. Belong from Universal Networking Systems as
Alright.
an customer relations manager. तो
So do you
मेरा
have
बहुत
any
ज़्यादा
specific question which I can help you with?
yeah I'm ever stuck whenever I sell replica.
Sorry,
Whenever I try to sell replica on Facebook,
sell
I will
what?
be stuck. Replica.
Replica.
Replica. Yeah.
Okay, what is that? I have no clue about that. Or maybe I'm not able to get that. What is that?
Replica means I wear this jacket of Outfitter, but the same jacket is made by a local company.
Okay.
And I wanna sell this jacket on Facebook at the lower price of the Outfitters. And but it's totally copy, triple A copy.
Okay.
So I'm going to sell the replica products on Facebook. But whenever
Duplicate
I
products.
promote,
I got it. Replica products. Got it.
yeah, whenever I'm going to promote them, actually there is a lot of shouting because recently you accept my request and I'm not having
No worries.
I'm not having any other place for sit, but
No problem. So what are you facing the challenge with? Like when you are selling the replica product, what challenge are you
yeah.
facing?
I'm selling that whenever I try to sell the replica, there is a lot of means my account was a flag. My advert account will be not showing me on in Facebook or and other social media platforms.
So आप ad नहीं कर पा रहे हो या what are you exactly not able to do? I'm not able to get you. You are facing problem, but where are you exactly facing the problem? When you're running an Facebook ad, is it getting approved
Yes.
and then not being shown or rejected and then what?
एड लगाया, एड लग भी गया, बट जैसे ही 5,000 से 10,000 से लाइक्स आए पेज के ऊपर, एड जो था वो तो जाया हुआ ही हुआ, मेरा पेज भी जाया हो गया, मेरा पेज फेसबुक पे
So
कहाँ गया मुझे मिलता ही नहीं।
because it is a duplicate product. So have you gone through Facebook ads policy any point in time?
Yeah, yeah.
So Facebook
I
ads
know.
policy clearly says that you cannot sell like copyrighted items. So if you are selling
But-
the exact
but-
replica, let's suppose I have this camera, I have this Rode shotgun mic, and if I have the same thermocol, let's suppose the same thermocol, if I sell, all right, with this Rode mic, with Rode written, then definitely Facebook is gonna ban my page because I have a duplicate. It's a copyrighted material, right?
Okay, but I'm using a black hat marketing some strategies. If whenever
भाई
I
ब्लैक
sell
हैट
the
नहीं
replica-
चलता है ऐसे। आप कितना भी कर लो, फेसबुक इतना तो इतना बुद्धू नहीं है कि आपका ब्लैक हैट, तुम एक आदमी हो वो पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर लेके बैठा है इतने सालों से,
यार बिकता तो है ना, there
बट
is a lot
बिकने के
of
बाद बंद भी
pages.
हो जाता है ना बेटा।
हाँ, तो
ठीक है,
अब
हाँ तो अब नहीं
digital-
होगा ना, ऐसे ही तुम
अब-
कैसे चाउ की मात्रा, तो की मात्रा, या की मात्रा बनाया करोगे फेसबुक को।
तो उस्ताद जब उस्ताद आपके पास आए हैं तो मशवरा लेने के लिए आए ना, जब हम होके
इसलिए
बेच
तो मैं
सकते
आपको
हैं।
बोल रहा हूँ ना, दैट्स व्हाई आई एक्चुअली लिसन टू यू प्रॉपर्ली कि तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है और कहाँ तक प्रॉब्लम है। एज सुन एज आई फिगर्ड आउट दैट दिस इज कॉपीराइटेड मटेरियल, ये वैसी बात है कि मुझे खून करना है लेकिन मैं कैसे चतुराई से करूँ कि मैं पकड़ा ना जाऊँ। तुम्हारा सवाल
बिल्कुल,
थोड़ा
ये
सा वैसा है भाई। मैं ऐसे
बिल्कुल।
मर्डरर नहीं हूँ तो मेरे को जॉब नहीं आएगा, फिर मेरे को जो आता है वही बताऊंगा ना कि भाई मर्डर करोगे तो जेल में जाओ, मैं तो इतना ही बोलूंगा।
नहीं एक्चुअली हर कोई बंदा जो होता है वो ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं ले सकता।
नहीं भाई ले सकते, नहीं, I'll tell you, if you want to run this model you can do Shopify drop shipping, जिसमें आप चोरी भी नहीं करते हो और सस्ता माल आप महंगा बेच सकते हो. You can go
Actually,
to
I'm not
AliExpress.
having any kind of. Actually, I'm not having any kind of a social media platform or have my own e-commerce store. I'm
Then build
providing the
one.
services. I am
Build one.
no, I'm a service provider. I'm a service provider.
तो आप
I'm a
चोरी का
service
माल तो नहीं बेच
provider.
सकते हो ना. I am also a service provider. I cannot sell you stuff which are not like legal. Common sense की बात है भाई. समझ
यार
लो.
कोई बंदा पैसे दे के कोई चीज खरीद रहा है, इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है
गांजा
उसके ऊपर 10
मेरे को
लाख
गांजा
रुपए
भेज
का।
यहाँ पर. मेरे को गांजा भेज यहाँ पर. मैं बेचता हूँ डॉलर तेरे को या पाकिस्तानी रुपया जो भी है. नहीं बेच सकते
ओ
तुम.
भाई
लीगल नहीं है ना भाई. मैं तेरे को 10 गुना पैसा देगा. तू मेरे को नहीं भेज पाएगा गांजा. समझ
ओके
लो.
बट
That's what I'm saying.
ओके I
Any other
will
question
be
you have?
totally. No, I'm not having another question.
All right, then I'll let
But
other people ask some question over here because I'll have to give everybody chance over here. All right, buddy.
oh, okay,
All right.
thank
God
you.
bless you. Take care. Bye.
Love.
तो फिर एक काम करो ना आप क्या बोलते हो हैकर ही बन जाओ यार. Alright, so we have Digital Dhairya in the house. Let me add him if he can join.
Hi Pratik,
Hey Dhairya, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So आज
So proud
आज
of
कैसे हमारे लाइव में आ गए भाई?
सर. बहुत दिनों से मन था मेरा आपसे बात करने का और आप काफी बिजी रहते हैं. और कैसा चल रहा है सर?
बस यार बढ़िया चल रहा है.
आपसे देख के मुझे काफी मोटिवेशन मिलता है.
Thank
और
you so much.
जैसे आपकी ग्रोथ देख के मैं इतना ज्यादा मोटिवेटेड होता हूँ कि मैं क्या प्रतीक जैसा कर रहा ना वैसे करना एकदम. वीडियोस बनानी है, धड़ाधड़ वीडियोस बना के डालना है टिकटॉक, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब वगैरह वगैरह. वो बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है आपको देख के. एंड जस्ट वांटेड टू नो वन थिंग. जैसे आप टिकटॉक पे वीडियोस बनाते हो, मैं अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ, यूट्यूब पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग माई कोर्स एज वेल पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग से रिगार्डिंग. बट आई वॉन्ट टू नो वन थिंग. जैसे टिकटॉक है, अभी हम टिकटॉक से कैसे लेवरेज ले सकते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा?
It's all for me. TikTok is only branding platform for me. And second thing, like in December 2019, when I was a speaker at SEMrush, I said it in front of like almost like 1,000 people over there. The same thing which I'm going to tell you right now because it's still relevant. I was spending close to around 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees in Instagram ads. Like not that clicking promote button and then boosting my content, not like that. Properly running it from Facebook Ads Manager so that people come to my profile. Now, because my profile has strong content, people used to follow. So almost like I used to spend somewhere around at least 70,000 on an average every single month in 2019 just to grow my Instagram followers in a legal way so that I get real followers because organic धीरे-धीरे कम हो रहा था. But then in August when I started TikTok, I just pushed my content over there with only one mindset and one strategy that if my TikTok gets bombarded, I know that in TikTok, the way people have this perception is when somebody likes your content on TikTok, they instantly go on your bio on TikTok. As soon as they go on your bio, they click on that link and over there you can have two links, Instagram and YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
All right. So you might have seen most of the YouTubers who are doing good, most of the TikTokers who are doing good, they always give this call to action, most of them. That hey, अगर आपको ज़्यादा डिटेल में चाहिए इन जानकारी तो मेरे YouTube पे मेरे बायो में क्लिक कीजिए और YouTube पे फॉलो कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. They tell this because in TikTok this is psychology. When people like your TikTok content, they mostly come to your bio. So this is what I felt in August, and in 4 months my TikTok got bombarded. So while I was at
I have
SEMrush
seen
in
that यार, मतलब इतनी तेजी से ग्रो हुआ आपका.
Exactly. I just told these guys that I have now stopped spending or investing my money in Instagram ads. You know why? Because now I don't have to tell people that come to my Instagram profile. Because my TikTok is doing good,
Right.
people from there are clicking that profile button and then they are coming to my Instagram. So every single day now I'm getting around 500 followers on an average. All right, because on every account followers get decreased, and if you go into your insights, you will clearly see that your followers every single day they decrease as well and increase as well. All right, because of the algorithm and because somewhere down the line people target us with hashtags, bot followers, and everything. All right, so वो increase decrease चलता ही रहेगा. So on an average, my Instagram followers since past 4 months, I would say, is increasing every single day by at least 500 followers organically. I'm not doing anything. not doing anything.
All right.
Right? Because
Okay,
so for me, TikTok is branding platform and cross promoting if your TikTok content is good.
All right. So, do you have your marketing agency as well?
Yes, I do have an LLP.
Okay. So, I just wanted to ask one more question. जैसे बहुत सारे hate comments आते हैं, भर के hate comments आते हैं. कभी
Ignore.
गुस्सा आता है कि मतलब फोड़ डालूं, इग्नोर, एकदम क्लियर इग्नोर. कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे
Ignore in two
क्वेश्चंस
ways.
भी आ जाते हैं. आप
Ignore in two ways. One, like see, 90% of the times I ignore them like completely. 5% of the times I don't ignore and I reply. Alright?
I have
5%
seen
of the
your
time I
screenshot.
reply.
Yeah.
I reply and then I share the screenshot with only one mindset, not to vibrate hate from me, but to try to change their perception in that moment. If I'm able to do that in 1 or 2 comments, because I have a long experience, I come to know when I chat. So all these shitty commenters who create special account, they are so free, they create special account where they have 0 posts, 1 follower and 238 following. And then from that account, they shit on my content. And I don't give a damn. All right.
Okay.
This is what I learned. This is what I learned from Gary Vee as well, and from a Bollywood actor, Salman Khan, जिसने अपने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में बोला है. लोग उनको जब पूछते हैं ना, बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स को, सलमान खान को बहुत सारे पूछते हैं कि सर ये ट्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं आपको क्या, स्पेशली रेस 3 का जब ट्रेलर आ रहा था तब.
Right.
So people used to ask him, people are trolling and all those things. Salman Khan just said one thing. Are you talking about those trolling accounts which has 10 followers, 12 followers, 20 followers, 200 followers?
Right.
That is not trolling. Trolling कर रहे हैं तो सामने आके करो. तो मेरा भी यही जॉब है in digital marketing. If you want to shit, गुर्दा होना चाहिए shit करने में. पीछे से करोगे ना, वो तो टट्टी सब लोग करते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
See, I tell you, what happens is over here, Dhairya, that say your name is Dhairya. You'll have to have Dhairya. You'll have to have Dhairya. Because this is no less than you doing a film. This is media. We are live right now. And if I keep this live for next 24 hours, I don't know how many people and from where all countries or where all cities people would be watching us. So everybody has this perception. We cannot do anything about it. The only thing which we can work upon is ourselves.
Right.
So वो होता है सब. We all are humans. We get fucked up. Right. We get fucked up. But उसका proportion हमारी जिंदगी में कम होना चाहिए. That's my motto. Even Gary Vee, I have go to his old videos. Gary Vee के बहुत पुराने videos में जाना. The way he talks at that point in time versus now is completely different. So we as 30-year-old, I don't know what your age. What's your age?
25.
25. You are just getting started with hate. I'm telling you. You are just getting started with the hate part. It's like 1%.
अभी मेरे पास चीजें आती है, मतलब गालियों से भरे हुए मैसेजेस आ जाते हैं. कभी मैं इतना ज्यादा इरिटेट होता हूँ, मेरा मन करता है इनके घर जाके इनको फोड़ डालूं. और
हर एक को होता है. We all are humans. Trust me, dude. You are Dhairya Singh, right? Chauhan.
Yeah, Dhairya Singh Chauhan. Yeah.
We are Kshatriyas. We are Rajputs.
Yeah.
Right.
Rajput. Yeah.
I used to roam around with swords in my college days. I have revolved आंचड़ों बनाना. It's like easy job for me. I can cut these guys into pieces if they come in front of me. They cannot go by my body. मेरा body एकदम thin है.
गुस्सा बहुत होता है already ऐसे भी.
Alright, but that's the part. Being a public figure online, you have to change something over here. Alright. So जैसे मैंने बोला, 90% you completely ignore. 5% at times, yes, you come and you try to change their perception in that moment. Alright. Because we all think in moment. Right now, what we are talking is in moments. I'm sure after this particular thing, what you will get is positive feedback and negative feedback in 2 years. Right. You know what? After 2 years, when you would be 27, 28, लिख के देता हूँ मैं तुमको अभी, that you would get comments like, बॉस ये तो प्रतीक के लाइव में आया था ना, प्रतीक से सीख के आया है पेशेंस की बात, अब मेरे को बोल रहा है. You will get this kind of negative feedback. And you will get positive feedback as well, that प्रतीक की लाइव में आया था, प्रतीक भाई जैसा करके दिखाया इसने, इन्होंने जो बोला था ना वो किया. Because I'm telling you this why, because I have been already gone through that. I have already gone through that.
मैं आपको
I'm telling everybody the area that I used to read blogs of Jitendra Vaswani. I used to read blogs of Digital Deepak. I used to follow Avi Arya on Ask Avi Arya show. And now when I share stages, when I go to their home, I share dinner, I sit with them with friends, like younger brothers. It's an achievement for me. So I don't give a shit about the things which people tell, you know?
मैं आपको कब से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, जब से आपके शायद 2000 फॉलोअर्स थे। मैंने जब से आपको फॉलो करना स्टार्ट किया था, उस टाइम पे मैं जॉब करता था। उसके बाद मैंने जॉब ही करता रहा, मतलब साइड में मेरा चल रहा था, मार्केटिंग वगैरह चल रहा था। मैंने कहा यार प्रतीक क्या फास्ट तरीके से ग्रो कर रहा है, चलो करा जाए। साइड में मैंने पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग चालू करी, धीरे धीरे करना स्टार्ट किया, फेसबुक एड सीखे, ब्लॉगिंग सीखी, एसईओ सीखा। आपने भी डीएसआईएम में पढ़ाया था, मैंने भी डीएसआईएम के अंदर जॉब की थी। एंड उसके बाद देखते देखते मैंने देखा यार आपका कंटेंट बहुत फास्ट चल रहा है। मैंने कहा कि कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा, और करते 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 एक इस स्टेज पे आ गया हूँ कि लोग आते हैं, अब इंटरव्यू लेते हैं तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि यार ग्रोथ हो रही है। अच्छा, एक चीज़ और मुझे पूछनी है आपसे। आपका जैसे 2020 चल रहा है, ये तो डेड हो चुका है एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो अभी, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मार्केट पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है। तो आपका इस वक्त फोकस किस चीज़ पे सबसे ज़्यादा, कि आप यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग, इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग, टिकटॉक मार्केटिंग, जो आपका कोर फोकस है वो आपका किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज़्यादा रहता है? बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग मल्टीपल थिंग्स।
Personal branding, if you're building personal branding, this is the biggest lesson. Personal branding is never dependent or specific to a platform. Personal branding is your face. People admire you. All right. Once again, relate personal branding with Bollywood actors. What they are doing, they are acting. They are not specific to films. They are coming on reality shows. They dance on award shows. Getting the point?
Right.
जब कौन बनेगा, this is super important. Like the young kids will never have been seeing this point like this. Let me tell you, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जब आया था for the first ever time, जब रियलिटी शोज इतने थे ही नहीं, alright, खाली सारेगामापा और वो सब 3-4 थे। When कौन बनेगा करोड़पति सीजन 1 came, अमिताभ बच्चन सर जब आए थे वो एक्चुअली में कर्जे में थे। ABC कॉर्पोरेशन उनकी डूब गई थी।
I remember, yeah.
Now for an legendary actor like Amitabh sir to come from a बड़ा पर्दा कहते हैं, you know, film is known as बड़ा पर्दा और सीरियल या टेलीविजन शो इज नोन एज छोटा पर्दा। सो बड़े पर्दे से छोटे पर्दे पे आना एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टॉक्स माइट हैव हैपेंड इन बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री। समझ रहे हो, ये ऐसी बात हो गई कि डिजिटल प्रतीक का जो भी अभी ब्रांड बिल्डअप हुआ है, कल सुबह उठ के सब कुछ गिर जाता है। एंड इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग ऑन टिकटॉक एज अ फ्रेश प्लेटफॉर्म, सर अमिताभ सर के लिए वैसी बात थी। स्टिल राइट नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन लास्ट 20 इयर्स में वो कहां से कहां आ गए।
Right.
Reality shows are right now the biggest thing in the world right now, more than movies at least. Right?
Yeah. So just wanted to ask one more. Yeah.
I'll just disconnect you, or else people will just fire me from
all right. Okay.
Right? We'll
Nice talking to you, Prateek.
All right.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Take care, buddy. Take care. God bless.
Yeah. Bye.
All right. Guys, see, the reason why I connected with Darius so much is because he's already doing something. So he knows something which I can explain to him. If you come over here and you just, आप मेरी तारीफ करोगे या आप मेरे फैन टाइप्स बनोगे तो I really love, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन पब्लिक को क्या वैल्यू मिलेगा, समझ रहे हो? So when you come, please be ready. If I accept you over here, please be ready with a regular question, a legit question, जहां पर मैं आपको नहीं, पूरी जनता यहाँ पर जो देख रही है ना, उसको एटलीस्ट मैं वैल्यू दे सकूं। ऑलराइट, सो इफ यू वांट टू like if you want to stay or stick longer with me over here on live, make sure your question is so deep that हाँ मैं उसको कुछ आंसर कर सकूं। ऑलराइट, सो I just clicked one, waiting for Resham, I don't know, I just lost connecting. Alright, hello, hi.
Hi, Prateek. First of all, big fan. Even though you said that the question should be ready, so
Hi.
but I
just lost your name. What was your name?
Resham.
All right, Resham. Tell me.
Yeah. So okay. So the question is that you're very big on just running Instagram, like not just running Instagram ads like on Instagram, but rather on like Facebook ads. So I was personally having issues with the pixel manager sort of a thing because I don't have my website yet. Secondly, Instagram stories is like the other thing that you always focus on. So like Instagram stories also don't run like you know, on Facebook you cannot just select Instagram story because otherwise you'll have to select other platforms as well. So that was my personal question. And second question, very important aspect is that I am used to creating content which is like, I don't know, like high quality as per like whatever quality I am giving. So right now I'm not able to produce content of that quality. Yet you're very big on posting constantly, like we should not stop posting and this and that. So I'm very afraid that sometimes I see some people that they're posting shit. Like I don't like the content, even though like previously they've made good content, that's why I followed them. But when they start posting shit, I unfollow them. So I don't want to create content unnecessarily, which is not quality content, you know.
All right. So I'll just answer first of all. I'll just
Hmm.
answer regarding the pixel. You need something like a website where you can install a pixel, or
Right.
else it won't work. All right. So that's you. You'll have to have a
So we
landing
cannot
page or a
run
website.
we cannot run an ad without
You
fixing the.
can, but you cannot gather the data. You can run the
Okay.
ad, but pixel won't be activated, so you won't be able to gather the data. You can definitely run ad. Second,
Okay.
you can run Instagram story ad by selecting Instagram as a platform and then story as an option, only one, and then uploading a vertical 1080 cross 1920 or 9:16 aspect ratio, which is mentioned over there. So you might not have
Okay.
seen that clearly. आप
Okay,
ad
I'll
set
check
के
it
level
out.
में आप ये कर सकते हो. So that was second.
Okay.
And third is the content. Now let's talk about my own content. In past 24 hours, I have not posted a single post over here on Instagram, not on TikTok, not on LinkedIn, nowhere. Like on internet, I have not posted a single post in last 24
Okay.
hours. All right, in last
Okay.
24 hours. Probably if I go into my stories right now, for the first ever time, there is no story. All right, there
Yeah.
is no story. Now people are thinking that because I didn't go live with Varun yesterday because of some reason, I'm not able to do that content. Ye wo. Let people think.
Okay.
People don't have any clue what I'm testing right now. So that's number one.
Right.
All right. At times when you take break, if your break for content is for a good intention,
When you
take a
have a
break.
comeback.
All right. Because people don't know what I'm creating right now.
Right.
Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll come up with an update in Digital Pratik University and people will come to know that why I took this break. All right.
Right.
Second, when you are posting quality content and all of a sudden you are like, you think that the quality is less, but that might be a super valuable content for somebody else. You are judging your own content based on your own mindset and perception that, when somebody is not posting well, you are unfollowing them. So not everybody is like you. I'm not like you. If I don't like I am right now, I am following only 95 people. But out of 95 people, probably I have muted 90 people's story and posts. Because I don't
Okay.
want to see anybody on my feed.
Right.
But I don't unfollow them.
Okay.
All right. I don't unfollow them. I follow them, but I just mute them. And then whenever I feel that, okay, fine, now I want to follow a certain kind of people from my following, so I'll once
Right.
again unmute them.
Okay.
So we all are wired over here differently. You think that because somebody is not posting good, you're unfollowing, but everybody is not unfollowing.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Same goes with me. Like Digital Pratik, who is every day posting some of the other thing, has not posted after a long time in 24 hours. I won't
Yeah,
worry
that's
about
big.
people unfollowing me. I won't.
Right. So
All right.
again, it comes back to the point of just delivering like the value
Content.
value.
You
Okay.
deliver valuable content, and then let people judge you on the basis of 90 days, not just one or two pieces of content.
Okay.
Just
Alright.
imagine right now, if I think that, okay, fine, people who have been shitting on my content since past 24 hours,
Hmm.
those are the same guys creating fake accounts. All right. They
Right.
have so much of free time that they create 10 different accounts with 0 post, 1 follower, and 239 following. And they shit on my content.
Right.
Should I focus on that versus should I focus on 8 different people who came to my live today who got value, and still I have an audience retention ratio on my live of 500 to 600 people since past 1 hour?
Okay.
That
Yes.
should be the focus.
Right.
Right? When this doesn't happen, at that point in time, a brand like me or a person like you or anybody in the world should think that yes, something is like something is wrong in your life, or something is
Right.
not good in your life, or something is bad which has happened by you to your audience, or maybe your work, your client, or something.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
this is it. Okay, just one last thing here that I got to know about Gary Vee through you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. God bless you. All right. So let's pick up last. We are almost like 1 hour. I'll pick one last one over here. Let's see who he or she is. Let's see. Oops. What happened? All right. Let's add this guy. Fahim Manna. All right. Fahim.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Hello.
Hey man, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
All right. Tell me.
Yeah, I have one question. I follow Neil Patel. So I got a mailer saying, for the Easter, getting $100 Snapchat ad credit. All right. So I applied for that, and I happened to, get that ad credit. I got a mail from Snapchat ad credit. Yeah. And then I started building my campaign for my company. And, for some reason I didn't post the ad. I don't know. I didn't find the right audience for in the Snapchat maybe. So I don't know if I want to know, but from you, like what is the audience exactly on Snapchat?
Oh, honestly, I would say I've never run a perfect ad for myself on Snapchat.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So I won't be able to comment more on that. I have been a content creator on Snapchat in 2016 to 2018 heavily, but organic form of content.
Okay.
Because during that period of time, I didn't have that much money which I can test out an advertisement. So honestly speaking, if I say like I have never run ad.
Oh,
Because
okay.
even if I have ran like $200 ad, like I mean $200 ad is nothing for me. So I
Yeah,
cannot
got it.
judge any particular conclusion. I cannot come to a conclusion that yes, I have successfully done Snapchat ads. Just like I can say successfully that yes, I have run Instagram ads, I can do
Yeah.
Facebook ads. So
Got it.
I'm extremely sorry, but I have no like clue.
Clue
But
about that.
what I have seen is there are a lot of e-commerce guys, a lot of drop shippers, a lot of shoe like जो बेचते हैं ना shoe बेचते
Yeah.
हैं, all right,
समझ गया.
and a lot of
Yeah.
case covers. These
Yeah.
guys are able to sell more. Why? Because Snapchat is still obviously a younger
New.
demographic.
Yes. Yes. Get
It
it.
is not new, it is old,
Totally.
but a younger demographic, just like TikTok.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
people tend to purchase the low ticket product, but on a
Yeah.
high end, if I think it is a branding platform once again. So you might have
Okay.
seen the organic content of Daily Mail, then
Yeah.
Discovery and National
Yeah.
Geography. Like, look at their content. The way they create content for like Snapchat
Amazing.
is
Yeah.
totally on a different level.
Yeah.
All right. It is
Get it,
basically
yeah.
they are creating superb Instagram stories. All right.
Yeah.
I have got a lot of inspiration. In fact, I always tell my team that take inspiration from these accounts on Snapchat so that you get better at Instagram stories and TikTok as well.
All right.
And the advertisement on Facebook and Instagram stories.
Yeah, got it. I've been, I've been thinking that TikTok is not a platform where I can actually, post the content. Till I saw your videos or I saw Gary Vee's videos, and every single person he talks to, he's like, "Are you on TikTok?" Like, if you're not on TikTok, you're like foolish. And somebody 3 days ago told him she posted one video on TikTok, and he's like he freaked out. Whoa, just one video, just like throw content on
See,
TikTok.
but even
And
that's what happens with me. I get a
Yeah.
lot of people telling me the same thing, that they just blew up on TikTok because I just said them, I just motivated them. I've
Got
got
it.
a lot of people telling me that we started because of you on TikTok and we are definitely getting results. So when people think of results, they think of followers, but it is not just followers. All right.
Yeah.
It is the growth with respect to some platform.
Yeah. Got it.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so
All
much.
right,
Yeah.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
God bless
Yeah.
you. Take care. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, very much.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for being live over here. I'm still figuring out on YouTube Live. I'm trying to do something new with the overlays and everything. To be very honest, I'm trying to do YouTube Live just like Gary Vee is doing with Tea with Gary Vee. So yeah, the overlays, वो जो अंदर से आते हैं ऐसे, the branding thing, everything on live video. I do have the software. I have everything right now set up, but unfortunately, maybe because of internet issues or maybe because some connectivity issue, I'm still not able to figure that out. But definitely, I'm sure like by 10 live videos on YouTube, I'll definitely figure that out. And that's what I always tell people, like learn, apply and share. All right. Don't just focus on the mistakes which you're making in the initial stages of you trying something new, because that will be like your own thing which you'll own proudly when you will succeed in the same thing after 10 or 15 or 50 trials. That's it with this particular live session, guys. Thank you so much for being on Instagram for me with almost like an hour or so over here. I'll see you later on. All right. God bless. Bye-bye. And yeah, one last thing regarding me and Varun going live, you'll definitely hear from us with respect to some of the other update. So stay tuned with that as well. All right. God bless you.